Here are the basic tools that you will need to install snaps. Snaps, size T5 is the most popular snap size, and awl to poke a hole, handheld snap presser, and screwdriver to change dies. To fix basic snap problems, you will need additional tools like cuticle cutter, small hammer, pliers, or optional snap removal tool if you have it. So now let's start with this problem. Snaps do not connect or the snap cap prong is too long. If your fabric is thin or the prongs on your snap cap is long, you will have to snip the top of the prong. Be careful when you cut or snip the top of the prong, because the plastic piece could fly out and hit your eye. The next problem is how to remove installed snaps. If you accidentally put the snap at the wrong position and you want to remove it, you can use a snap removal tool. But if you don't have a snap removal tool, you can use a cuticle cutter. Using the cuticle cutter, you want to remove the center prong as much as you can, and whatever prong or sticks out, you want to take that out, and just be careful when you do that and protect your eyes because the plastic piece can fly out. Once you have removed the center piece of the prong, you can now remove the socket or the stud. The next problem is how to fix smashed or disfigured female socket. Sometimes if you don't align the snaps properly with the press, you will get a smashed socket. You do not want to throw that because you could probably still salvage it using pliers to straighten it. The next problem is stuck socket. Sometimes if you don't press the snaps with the snap presser properly, the snaps are loose. So when you try to open it, the socket or the stud could be stuck on the other piece. So the way to take it out is to use pliers, screwdriver, and a small hammer. If you try to use just the screwdriver by itself, it won't work because the screwdriver keeps slipping. To solve that problem, I used the pliers, and on the back of the pliers there's a hole in there. So that's where I inserted the snap, and then that would hold the snap together and it won't move. So then I went to use a screwdriver. First I used the small screwdriver, but it was hard to manipulate. The small screwdriver didn't give it a lot of force, so I tried to use a bigger screwdriver. By using the bigger screwdriver, just one tap with the hammer, the snap easily came off. The next problem is the snaps do not snap. The two halves of the snap must connect securely. If they don't, so then there must be an obstruction. If there is an obstruction, you must remove the obstruction with a cuticle cutter. Or sometimes if the cap prong is too long, you're going to have to shorten it. These are the problems I have encountered while installing the snaps. If you have encountered the same problems, or if you have a better solution to these problems, leave a comment on the comment section. Check my other video on how I installed snaps on a standard shower curtain liner. If you learned something from this video, please support my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Daghang salamat. Thank you for watching.